Hi, my name is Olu. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, it's about travel, beauty, hair, makeup, all of those things. And today we are trying out the RevAir. From the unboxing, it is heavy as hell. Like, obviously this is a stay-at-home dryer because you're not traveling with this thing. It's actually insanely heavy. All right, so I'm about to wash my hair and then use this thing for the first time. If you want to know how I take care of my hair on a week-to-week basis, subscribe. I will be releasing that information in the next couple of weeks or months. This year I'm going to focus a lot on hair. So I don't really know what I'm doing, but like if it works for my hair, I have 4C hair. There's only 2 heat settings here and then 7 tension settings. I already know my hair is gonna need number 7, but let's see if it actually works. I have detangled my hair. My hair was in braids for the past 2 weeks, so it was super detangled and I gotta section it. So I'll just do that right now. Ooh. Okay, we have our 4 sections. We are going to go and wash our hair. Welcome back. I'm freshly out the shower. My hair is soaking wet still. Ooh. Here we go. Just run a brush through one of these sections. Okay. Today I'm going to use, as usual, Biosilk, but instead of Aveda Brilliant Shine, I'm going to use Sheer Genius Brilliant Shine Glass. My Aveda is packed up because I'm traveling tomorrow. Okay, put that in there. I wonder if it'll work on this whole side of my head. Oh no, something's snagging. Anyway, I will be getting a trim when I get to Atlanta. That's probably the positive thing about my travels, is that I get to see the best hairstylist in the game, or one of them at least. All right, I already have it on 1. The middle is cold, and then the 2 sticks is double the heat, I guess. I don't know. This shit is loud as hell. Okay, I'm very clear that that section was too big because it couldn't even reach to the scalp. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. And I'm going to put the heat on level 2 because it didn't even get warm. Okay. That thing is too heavy. I feel like I strained my neck. Some part of my arm got tired. I mean, granted, I finished in under 30 minutes. First of all, my arm got so tired that I'm done. Like I can't do nothing else. And I know that this part of my hair is still poofy because I couldn't get, this is the same problem I had with the Dyson Supersonic. Like maneuvering it into certain positions on your head is difficult. Did it work? Yes. Is it worth the buy? If you do not have a Dyson, I got this for something like $320, and I think it's $400 typically. It was like 40% off. I couldn't tell you, but I know I got it during their Christmas sale. It got my hair straight in less time than the Dyson, and it's actually all the way dry. However, is it as smooth as it would have been with the Dyson? No. I gotta say it did a good job, and you see that after I pinned it up, it didn't really start reverting. My hair is dry. What would I rate it? Damn, for the uncomfortability, and no hair dryer has strained my neck before. That, I was actually shocked. I'm gonna have to dock it for that though. It's gonna have to be like a 7.58. If I run through my hair one good time with the Airwrap round brush, my hair is gonna be fantastic. In fact, let me just go and do it. The cool, for you to do cool on the Supersonic, you have to click this button right here all the way to the bottom, but you have to hold this here. Moisture sealing lotion, a little bit.